Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Louis Vuitton theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application first. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Instagram application and log in into your account and click on this messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any random conversation and click on the name on the top. From here you need to click on theme and now you need to select Louis Vuitton theme. So let me find the Louis Vuitton theme. So you can easily find Louis Vuitton theme on the top here because my Instagram is not updated, but you can find Louis Vuitton theme here on the top, and you simply need to select that theme and your Louis Vuitton theme will be activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.